The Ninja MC1101 Foodi Possible Cooker is a game-changer in the kitchen, offering an impressive 8-in-1 versatility that replaces a multitude of kitchen tools, streamlining your culinary experience and eliminating countertop clutter. This innovative appliance is not just a slow cooker, it's a multifunctional powerhouse that excels at slow cooking, searing, sautéing, braising, keeping warm, and preparing white rice, brown rice, oats, and pasta. Say goodbye to the need for a slow cooker, food warmer, non-stick pot, sauté pan, cast iron skillet, saucier, saucepan, stock pot, rice cooker, and Dutch oven. The Ninja Foodi Possible Cooker takes care of it all. The result is a more organized and efficient kitchen, allowing you to focus on creating delicious meals without the hassle of multiple appliances. The one-pot cooking capability of this Ninja Foodi model is a time-saving delight. Whether you're preparing mains and grains together or separately, the compact cooking system operates 30% faster than traditional methods. This means you can enjoy your favorite dishes quicker without compromising on taste or quality. Designed with family-sized capacity in mind, the 6.5-quart pot accommodates weekly meal prepping and generously sized family meals. It can fit for 6-ounce chicken breasts or a 7-pound roast, catering to the needs of up to 6 people. Speed is of the essence, and the Ninja Foodi Possible Cooker delivers by cooking rice 50% faster than a traditional rice cooker. The adjustable temperature control adds to its versatility, allowing you to turn up the heat for a perfect sear or cook low and slow for tenderizing. The cooker's oven-safe pot, up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, takes your culinary experience to the next level, allowing you to seamlessly transition from cooker to oven for a crispy finish. The convenience extends to serving directly from the pot with the included rice spoon, providing a hassle-free experience from cooking to table. With its small countertop footprint, the compact design ensures that the Ninja Foodi Possible Cooker easily integrates into your kitchen for everyday use. Cleanup is a breeze as the pot, lid, and rice spoon are dishwasher safe, making post-meal cleaning a simple and efficient task. The package includes a 6.5-quart cooking pot with cast stainless steel handles, a cooking base with cool touch side handles for easy transport, an oven-safe glass lid, and a rice spoon for convenient scooping and serving. In conclusion, the Ninja MC1101 Foodi Possible Cooker is a versatile and efficient kitchen companion, offering a wide range of cooking options without compromising on speed or convenience.